have to see this way. When you look at people, you have to see Him as me. This place, my home, is most beautiful. Please know it's valuable to me. You have to see the one who has made Himself perfect. You have to see Him as me. You will realize the value of the white throne as much as you can realize the value of the Lord. You will realize the value of Jehovah as much as you realize the value of the Holy Son, the Lord. Who else in this world is also valuable? The ones who share their love with me. Though they're all made the same, they have something precious, valuable stored